Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have stew peas with some white rice. But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I gotta hurry it up because I'm starving. I know you like it. I love it. I know y'all do. I'm starving, family. So right now I can't even wait. So first lady, if you want to go and talk.
I made some salad, just some lettuce and some peppers. That was it. I didn't have any tomatoes, guys. Do you have my
It's all
fork,
right.
honey?
The fork is right here.
Thank you.
Chatty. Whoo! Family, if you already know, it's the stew peas, you know. First lady, I already tell you. We ate it before. A billion times.
So there's no
Alright.
smoked turkey neck in this. It's just oxtail, chicken foot, and salt beef.
So I'm the turkey neck, my youth.
You don't yam turkey, you say?
So you know, so you ain't gonna put turkey neck in my thing then. You know that's how I like with the turkey neck too in here.
I forgot.
See that, family? But it's all good. It's all good. I'll give her a pass on that one. Now first you have to hook it up for me.
It still tastes good though. You don't want to miss a turkey neck.
I don't know yet because if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't know enough.
Exactly.
Damn.
I'm telling the family because you know.
Family. I'll give my salad right here. Too far? Family can't see my salad. If I want my salad, I gotta eat healthy because you said I gotta eat healthy. Healthy as well. First they say health. Oh my God. You see how many talking yourself I got.
So good. So
Come. I gotta get up.
good. Your phone?
Yeah. See that hot? Damn, it's on fire. Oh.
I love stew peas.
You love it? They like it, I love it.
I love it. So like gravy? Man.
You already know.
Ooh.
This is one of my favorite dish too.
Besides oxtail. And it's a one dish pot. Everything cooks in one pot.
One pot.
Red kidney beans, you boil the red kidney beans. Well, it's good to soak it overnight so it's easier to boil and faster. You just get a bag of red kidney beans, some oxtail, chicken foot. You don't have to put chicken foot. You can just put oxtail and salt beef. And you can put oxtail and pig's tail. Boil the pig's tail. Let the peas cook for a little bit to get the water nice and red. Add all your meat and just constantly, stir it like every 20 minutes and you're good.
And some Jamaican restaurants do sell this. Not all of them. But they eat the pig's tail in there. And first they substitute, you know?
Yeah.
Special. So they do sell it in a Jamaican restaurant. Just when you go there, just ask them if they have stew peas.
That's it.
Yeah. No?
I have yet to go into a restaurant.
You got napkin?
Yeah, I have one. And eat stew peas and like it, to be honest.
Really?
There's no pepper in it.
Oh.
I need pepper in my stew peas.
I know. Family. For all our day ones that been here from day one, y'all know my tradition is taking first lady food. Right or wrong? I want y'all to comment, right? So, if I take First Lady food, it's not a big issue. Right, First Lady?
It's a big issue.
Oh, you told me that. Okay, no problem.
I'm just saying, it's not a big issue.
It's not a big issue. That's my tradition from day one. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, we've been together for 19 years. He's done it for 19 years.
It's not just on camera.
It's not just on camera.
I do that regular. Real life. So I'm saying if I take First Lady
regular.
food, First Lady gonna eat, but I know when First Lady's full. So she don't gotta tell me she's full. I know when she's full. So that's why I take it. You know what I'm saying, family?
But
so it's nothing big.
But
no?
Sometimes Richie is greedy. And he take my food. But I don't take offense to it. So don't worry, because at the end of the day, like he said, he knows I can't finish all my food.
Exactly. So I gotta help her from early and leave her a portion. So you know, if you have been rocking with us, you know that's my tradition.
The only time I don't have to worry about that is when it's pork.
When it's pork, I won't take it. But other than like now, I'll take it. And First Lady don't mind. See, I'll take it. I took these of the salt beef, and I'm gonna share it with y'all first. Here y'all go. Here y'all go. Take these. All right, good. That's a salt beef. It's kind of salty, so be careful.
Let me tell you one thing though. I get pissed off when he take my food if it's something that I really love.
Yeah.
But he normally likes to wait until the end. But sometimes you be acting up, Tom. You gotta take my food early, no my you. That's what I'm sitting there going.
I've been hard. I ain't taking food, but today. So y'all don't. If y'all worrying about me taking First Lady food, y'all don't have to worry. First Lady don't mind it. I've been doing this forever.
Forever.
Yep. It's not like me if I don't take First Lady food, it's not me. You know what I'm saying? Something must be wrong. So if I don't take First Lady, you're gonna say, oh, in the comment, Richie, why you didn't take First Lady food today? Something is wrong with you. Yeah, no, it's not, nothing is wrong with me.
You wanna get some off of your chest today?
I'm venting, son. I done that for that, my vent. But yeah, back to the show right now. But yeah, go try this. Y'all don't have to make it, y'all can go try it. Try it at the restaurant. But it's delicious though. She's sitting there, I'm gonna grab a piece of oxtail. Your First Lady, oxtail, dear, you buy oxtail like that? You still got more stimulus? That stimulus is going long. Here you go. Take a piece of the oxtail right here. That's oxtail, that's regular oxtail, you know? Oxtail there right now, First Lady, give me oxtail, that's good though. That's what's up. Or, if you have tried this before, let me know. It's really good.
Or if you cook it.
I know some of my Jamaican family they eat it all the time.
And yum it all of the time, man.
Well, yeah.
Yo, instead of chicken foot nice and soft, it just fall off of the bone, you know?
Chicken foot nice and soft, man. Just fall off the bone. That's how chicken foot supposed to be cooked. You just, no? Family. Some people that cook chicken foot that can't cook it.
Yeah, chicken foot have to be cooked properly, because you will know.
You know when the chicken foot is cooked. It's not, and it takes a while too.
Every one of this meat, the chicken foot, the salt beef, and oxtail, takes around the same time to cook.
Yeah.
So, like I said, it's a one-pot dish. You can put them all in the pot at once. And within, what, 2-3 hours, it's nice and cooked. But because the peas, you gotta be very careful. Like every 20 minutes, you gotta stir it around so the peas doesn't get stuck to the bottom and burn. Because you don't want to burn stewed peas. It doesn't taste good.
You don't want that. Can't. This is good.
It's good.
Delicious, yeah.
Thank you.
So good to my mouth. Water and drop it out my mouth. But you know we appreciate every one of y'all.
We sure do.
So if you see something, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? Naturally me. No? I ain't gonna stop it. Huh?
So you say you're not stop?
No, I ain't gonna stop it. That's just me. You feel me?
So you're not stop taking my food?
Never. I've been taking your food forever. You think I'm gonna stop now? Still take your food. I know when my First Lady food. When First Lady said, I know when First Lady had enough. You come like the guy with the thing, but when you had enough beer. So I know when First Lady have enough food. I help her out. All right. Well spoken.
Well spoken,
Good.
proper.
Family.
Ooh.
Did we ask them about this? We did that already. We
asked them, baby.
About the dish, if they want to see some dish.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Them.
We asked them already, right? This is good. Why they need to put pork in here and it tastes so good? Other variety of meat.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a Mr. Pigstail sometimes. If this dish, if I could make two pots, one with pigtail and one with salt beef, I would. But it made no sense. So
That's true.
that's why when my sister makes stew peas, she saved me pigtail. Like I don't want no oxtail, I don't want a chicken foot. She just saves me pigtail and some of the gravy because I already have oxtail already when I make it.
Well, your original.
Because originally, stew peas is made with oxtail and pigtail, but you can make it with anything.
First lady making it special for me.
Do you miss the what it called? The smoked turkey neck? You miss it?
Yeah, I miss mine.
Yeah, me too.
I miss it for real. You know, if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't know, but I would eventually figure like, yo, where's the thing?
Because it gives the stew peas a smoky flavor, like a nice smoky flavor. That I'm not gonna lie, it does, and it doesn't take away from the taste of the stew piece. It doesn't overpower it. Whoa! Excuse me.
I was hungry. I ain't gonna lie, family, I was hungry.
I feel like can you give me a little bit more gravy, honey?
Want to get more gravy inside?
Yeah, please.
Drop it on my rice. Yeah, but it's all good though. I get it with first lady. Anything with first lady. First lady want me to get my phone, but she want me to get the gravy. You see that?
Yeah, man, you need the gravy, man. My rice looked like it was dry.
Rice, good man. Wow. Man, first lady. Thank God you could cook.
I feel like you could have used more pepper.
If ever you taste pepper, it will, lick like that. When I tasted it the first time,
It was yeah.
First lady throw down, son.
My stew peas is good. I'm not gonna lie.
Everything you cook.
My stew peas is good. And when you put this in the fridge, in the freezer, like I told you guys, we freeze our food. And then the next time you warm it up, my God.
Everything you cook is good. And the next thing too.
Uh-oh, more?
Family. When we eat, right? I'm just, it was a question, I'm just answering it.
What a question?
They asked.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody asked, like, if we gotta eat a lot because it's a mukbang. We eat our regular portion food. We eat like one meal a day. We don't eat throughout the day like me. Well, I eat throughout the day.
You rich eat throughout the day.
Whatever I want, I eat. But this is our regular portion of food. And that's, you know what I mean? So, we're not eating a lot because it's a mukbang.
Yeah.
Everything that we eat, we really eat it.
Yes.
We're not,
Yeah.
right? Like, finish talking to me.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So we really eat it. So we're not gonna cook nothing that we don't really want.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Help me out, first lady.
Why I always help you? Like you can't help
I did
yourself.
a lot.
Man.
Break it down for me. I don't know what I'm talking about now.
It's like we cook what we eat.
Exactly.
Okay. I might see something on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. And I'm like, oh, I want to try that. But for the most part, it's the food that we're cooking is what we eat all the time. And the portion that we eat is what we eat. When I'm full, I'm full.
Yeah, they know that.
I'm not forcing myself to eat, but Richie,
I'm not forcing myself
he's a beast
either.
on his own. He that's how much Richie eats.
I do a lot.
And he eats throughout the day.
And you see, I still look nice and sexy. And thin.
You sure do.
So they always tell me I'm sexy, you know. But yeah. Real talk. We appreciate them questions, but this is what we eat.
Yeah. First of all, we don't like wasting food, so we're not gonna sit here and pile up a whole bunch of food and then only eat a little bit. And it doesn't look good. Not to us, because we don't like wasting food.
We ain't got no money, dog.
So we eat what we know we're gonna eat.
We eat. But yeah, I just want to adjust that too. So now, if y'all thinking about mukbang just have a lot of food. It don't have to be about that.
I enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. I love the conversation.
And the food.
Do y'all enjoy the conversation? We love the conversation. You know that. You talk whatever. Yep. For real. Y'all going good, man?
Come on. It's really good.
Family, please. If you do come across a Jamaican restaurant, because I know y'all live all over the place. If you do come across a Jamaican restaurant, ask them if they have STEWPEAS, okay?
Hopefully it's good. But
hopefully it's good.
But you see, they won't know.
But
if they've never had it before, they won't know what to expect. But one day, you guys will be able to taste our STEWPEAS.
Yep. It's coming soon. Somebody gonna be lucky.
And then you can know
what's the difference.
What's the difference? And when you taste somebody else's STEWPEAS, you be like, okay, yeah.
Yep.
I mean, I don't need to toot my own horn, but my STEWPEAS is banging.
Cook.
Okay? Banging.
And you already see that already. I told y'all what I told y'all. Yes, Richie, you said that first they have the blueprint, it's over. I did say that. All firstly needs that blueprint. Firstly, they go that direction. Me, if somebody give me a direction to go cook something, I'm doing it my own thing. Because I would never make that recipe. I can't follow direction. That's why I can't be an Uber driver. I don't like that. I just Uber driver, yeah. You follow the direction in the navigation where they tell you go right, go left, and this way. You know I'm not good at that. I get lost.
Listen, first of all,
I don't like that to hurt my brain, yo.
First of all, if Richie's driving home, okay, and Richie get a phone call, oh boy, the amount of wrong turns Richie made. And remember, Richie's been going the same way. We've lived here for 13, 14 years, so he knows the way. Once he gets on that phone, all sense of
it's a wrap, son.
What's going on, he loses it. And I just be in the car like, where are you going? Oh, why you didn't tell me that I was turning the wrong way? Why am I telling you turning the wrong way?
Exactly, I'm driving, I'm chauffeuring her, she gotta tell me where I'm going.
No, get off the phone and pay attention.
No, man, you have to tell me where you're going. You're not driving. So if you're not driving, right or wrong, family?
No.
If you're driving with your significant other, and you're not yet, and I'm on a phone call, right? Don't you supposed to be directing? You're supposed to be my GPS, even though I have a GPS, but you're supposed to be directing us.
No. If you cannot be on the phone and drive, then you need to get off the phone.
I'm not on the phone is on me.
So, that being said.
Damn, you be snitching, son. You talk snitching on me, man.
So, with that being said, say, listen, don't answer the phone.
You be snitching, B.
Always. It happens every time. Richie will pass the house. Richie will pass the turn. Richie will be dry. I'm like, where are you going?
We're riding, son.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I can't snitch for real enough.
You be snitching, all you worse than a snitch night.
I'm full.
See? First day of football, you're not nobody I want. You see the difference now? There's nothing over there I want now. She eat up everything already. So she's full now, she's good. Yeah, see that, family? She said she's full, but look over there. There's nothing I want over there. This was delicious. See, I took my time today and ate.
Yeah. Can't leave the chicken foot though.
My family, we keep saying it, we do appreciate y'all. Real talk. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta vent. So now y'all know. Oh!
You ain't get me this time, you fucker, yeah?
Family, stop worrying about how it will happen and start believing it will happen.
Good one.
Like that one, First Lady?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it again, then again. For a greedy fam, listen, stop worrying about how it will happen and start believing it will happen. If you can relate,
Relate.
relate. All right, family.
Whew. Delicious.
We gotta go. This was delicious. So I know y'all don't like this part, but we gotta go. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. I don't want no more First Lady food. So if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. Like, comment, subscribe, and come join the conversation where we talk about anything. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.